have the one for this channel, the second one for this second channel, third and fourth. And then these four here are just for the in-ears, basically, for your headphones. They connect here in the back, like he said earlier. And then each one is for a specific mic, but you can hear all of the mics on each channel here. Does that make sense? So like you're gonna hear his mic as well on this one, for example. I don't know who is attached to the first one. So this is.
It's over here.
Right
One's over here.
Yeah. So one is right here, which this should be the first mic as well. So that's the first mic. The second mic is right now over here. So this you're the second mic, and then I think that's the third one. And
correct. And the fourth one's at the back.
Yeah. So you all can hear the exact same thing through the four channels here. If you don't want to hear it, you press that little button there that it's kind of like an ear, and you're gonna stop hearing it on your headphones. But the audience is like the computer is still gonna record it. Okay. Now if you press this one here, that's a mute button for the audio. So once you're muted here, the computer is not gonna catch the mic. Does that make sense? It's pretty simple, honestly.
So red mute, green.
Yeah. The green is for you to hear it, basically. You have all four mics here. For the selection button is right there. So you select whatever channel you want to work with, basically. And then you have all the settings on this side.
So that's individual settings, right?
Yes, for each mic.
Set it up, each one. Think about it. Think about how you guys sound different, right? Some people talk lower, some people mumble, some people really outspoken, maybe project high. So one of the things you want to think about is you want to balance the room, right?
Yes.
You want to balance. The more you think about this in advance, the better you protect later. So if I got a really loud person, I don't want them to spike on the recording level, right? And you want balance ultimately, or otherwise that could be, in a professional world, that's more work on the back end to try to balance it later. So if you can tweak the sound settings, louder people, maybe, you're pulling a little bit less from them, and then quieter people, you're turning it up, you're going to be in a stronger situation, okay?